Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show how to connect two computers using a LAN cable. Let's get started. I already connected the two computers using laptop, so that only shows an unidentified network. Let's go to network and sharing center. Let's search for it, and here it goes. Let's open it up and go to advanced sharing settings. There, turn on everything and except the password protection. If you need, you can turn on it, and you should know the other computer's username and password to open it up. That's what. It's better to turn off. I already see the changes. Next, then go to the network settings. It still shows like that, and go to network settings and go to change adapter options, and the Ethernet is the one we are going to change, and right click and go to properties, and there select IPv4 protocol and click on properties, and use the following IP address I have given in the down in the video. You can see it. When you just type it and just click on the subnet mask, it will automatically generate the subnet mask address, and click OK. That's all. I'm going to show how to share any other local disk except the users folder to the computer. Just right click on the local disk you want to share to the others. Right click on it and go to properties, sharing, click on advanced sharing. You can click that share the folder. You have to click it and give permissions for them to come full control over it. Then click OK. In this way we can share any other local disk to other computers to view them. This is my computer 2, just Windows 7. Do the same process as the same. Go to network sharing center. And turn on everything here except the password protection, like this is if you need. Already done all the things, so it doesn't show me save changes. For you it will show, I think. Let's get going. Close it. Then we have to change the adapter settings. So I'm just clicking on the local LAN area connection, which is the Ethernet, and go to properties, click on IPv4 and its properties, and do the same. I will give you the IP address in the video. These two IP addresses will make the computers both think they are in the same network. That's the use of using this IP addresses. And then click OK. It's better to restart once for both the computers after the changes, and just you can find the both computers in the network. This my deadshot PC is in this computer, and the Kishore has my other laptop which has Windows 10. Let's go to it. It will show the E local disk and the users folder. You can go to the E and check all my contents of the computer. I'm just gonna copy some software. Let's see, Photoshop. Just try and it's copying. Let's see the details. Yeah, here you can see the softwares. It's showing the other computer from the other computer is connected, and just copying the file here. Let's just see my that computer. Let's go to that. Yeah, here. It shows both the computers. And see, there's a Kishore and Deadshot piece is my Windows 7. Let's go to it. It only shows users folders because we didn't have any drives in it to share. That's why. That's all it only shows. And here you can view the desktop files here.